stretchy looking. He said fix your hair because your hair's kind of crazy. It's not good for the camera. Can't tell who you are. When like 50 years from now, Dad is like senile and can't tell everyone apart. Nice sock. Oh, look at that. Nice. Where's the other sock? Okay, you can put that one on too. Little foot's in the air. Wow. Nice. Oh, they're slippery. Let me see. Slippy, slippery, slippery. Oh, are you stuck? I think you're stuck in there now. Okay, Daddy give you his hand. Now you step out. Okay, alright, let me see. Now go walk. Oh man, are you gonna put your shoes on now? Oh boy. Is your foot actually in there? Oh, okay. Nice. Wait till Mommy comes home. She's be like, look at this outfit. And she'll think Daddy dressed you. Uh-oh. You want Daddy to help you? Uh-oh. Sock fall. Daddy doesn't know what the camera's doing right now. Okay. Let's fix this other one. Nice. Okay. Hey, don't mess up Daddy's piles. Let me see.